All right, in this video, I'm going to show you what Precision Sales Studios can do to build automated and AI integrated email autoresponders. So this can be hooked up to your CRM, it can be hooked up to your inbox. This particular one is designed to take incoming inquiries from clients, whether it's from a contact us form on your web page or just in your general inbox. That email is filtered based on your Gmail or your Outlook settings. It's then sent to make.com. This is all on the back end and not anything that you'd have to touch or deal with. The message gets processed and parsed through this module. Then ChatGPT over here will read it and create a custom response for your customer based on writing samples that you provide. So in this one, I've got examples of what ChatGPT will be doing. So in this case, they're an intelligent email assistant. They're going to write emails for clients. Another prompt for ChatGPT, you're monitoring the sales inbox. So basically read and respond to the email. And then I gave a writing sample. You can put in 1, 2, 3, however many you'd like. So in this case, I've got one writing sample of an email and how I would respond to that, and then ChatGPT will take that as an example to respond to the text that comes through from this text parser. It'll then pull the email address. We've got it set up for a brief pause so that the email isn't immediately being responded to, because if you're a sales rep or a business owner, you're probably not getting back to your clients within 5 seconds. So this can be programmed to a few minutes, a few seconds, whatever you like, or it can be an instantaneous response, and then it'll send the email from your inbox back to the client. So what does this look like in practice? So we've got the Precision Sales Studios homepage pulled up here. I've got all of the contact us emails filtered in our Gmail, and when they come in, this will automatically register that a new message has come in from a prospect, and it will respond to them, prompting for scheduling a meeting on the calendar. So Johnny Smith will be our prospect. We're going to have it sent from, in this case, Johnny's inbox will just be our inbox. Subject, new CRM and dashboard. And then the message, hey Kevin, our marketing and construction business is looking for a new CRM and AI integrations to help run things more smoothly. Can you help us build one? Thanks, John. All right, so when we go to submit this form, you'll see down here that the AI and automation will automatically pick up that the message was sent, and it'll go ahead and draft and send out an email. So we'll go ahead and click submit. We can see that a form came in. This is now processing that contact us form. ChatGPT is drafting an email response. We've got a very brief delay. I've got this one set to a few seconds for this demo. And then the email gets sent. So Johnny's email was our email for Precision Sales Studios, and this is what comes back. Email received, talk to you soon. Hey Johnny, thanks for reaching out about your business needs. I'm confident that we can help you develop a new CRM with AI integration to improve your operations. Let's set up a meeting to discuss your specific needs and how we can best meet them, and then use the link below. So I've got this set up to take Johnny to our booking page so he can go ahead and get on our calendar. Each one of these emails is going to be a little bit different than the last because ChatGPT is writing it custom to that client's um, email or contact input. So in this case, it did respond and say, yep, we can build you a new CRM with AI integration to improve your operations. So it specifically addresses those pain points. The prompts can be modified any way you like. The biggest thing with this is it sounds and feels human. This isn't to replace you completely, but to basically multiply your efforts.